This was the 249th spacewalk in support of ISS assembly, maintenance, and upgrades, the 4th spacewalk out of the ISS this year, and the first for Expedition 67. This was the 4th spacewalk of Oleg Artemyev's career. He now has accumulated 26 hours and 57 minutes of spacewalking time. And, of course, Denis Matveev, a first-time flyer. This was the first spacewalk of his career, 6 hours and 37 minutes. The spacewalk, by the way, began at 10 a.m. Central Time and ended with hatch closure at 4:37 p.m. Central Time. Of the 249 spacewalks conducted in support of the space station, that has now accrued a total of 1,576 hours and 2 minutes, which is equivalent to 65 days, 15 hours, and 2 minutes of spacewalking time. This was the first of what is expected to be numerous spacewalks during Expedition 67, and again, the first today conducted out of the Poisk airlock on the Russian segment of the station for 6 hours and 37 minutes.